Hello everyone, in this series we are going to learn the Catia software. First of all, we will see introduction of Catia. Catia is a computer-aided three-dimensional interactive application. Is a robust and versatile software suite developed by Dassault Systems. It is primarily used for computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, computer-aided engineering, 3D modeling and product lifecycle management. Design intent in Catia. Design intent refers to the strategic planning and decision-making process during the creation of a CAD model to ensure that the model behaves predictably when changes are made. This concept is crucial in Catia to maintain the integrity and functionality of a design throughout its life cycle. It involves embedding the designer's knowledge, constraints, and relationships into the model to facilitate easy modifications and updates. Key principles of design intent in Catia. Parametric design. Use parameters to control and drive the geometry. Constraints and relations. Apply geometric constraints to maintain relationships between features. Feature-based modeling. Build models using a series of features like extrude, revolve that define the shape. Modularity. Design components and assembly in a modular way to facilitate easy changes and reuse. Associativity. Maintain links between related elements so that changes in one element propagate to others. Robustness. Anticipate potential changes and design the model to accommodate them. System requirements for Catia. On Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7, we can install Catia. Then processor, minimum Intel Core i5 or AMD equivalent. Recommended Intel Core i7 or AMD Ryzen 7 or better. Memory should be minimum 8 GB, recommended 16 GB or more. Graphics card, minimum NVIDIA Quadro or AMD FirePro series with at least 1 GB VRAM. Recommended NVIDIA Quadro, RTX or AMD Radeon Pro series with 4 GB VRAM or more. Storage should be 20 GB from hard disk space for installation. Okay, display minimum 1280 by 1024 resolutions. Okay, after getting started, the interface will be look like this. Now we will see this in our software. This is interface of Catia. From here we can see the workbenches. This much are the workbenches of Catia. From here you can choose the workbench. This is the user interface of Catia part design. Okay. This is a compass and this is geometry. From here you can choose the planes and start drawing. Okay. Thank you.